In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your permanently deleted TikTok account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your TikTok account and 30 days have passed, then it means that TikTok account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted TikTok account, what you need to do is to open TikTok application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down and click on report a problem. Then click on account and profile. Click on profile page. Then scroll down and click on other. Again scroll down and click on this need more help option. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. At the end of the paragraph, do not forget to mention your username and email address that was linked with your permanently deleted TikTok account. Once you have done that, click on submit, and after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours your deleted TikTok account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.